Oh my god. Locals only.
Typhoon swells all up and down the Pacific. Made local Shona was bumping too. But we headed north to a secret Chiba point for something special. Perfect lines, cold beers, and kilo sunset. Still waves there. Oh, what a beautiful. A traditional inn and fisherman's feast. Pure satisfaction. With food like this, beers just keep coming. Cheers. Abalone. Sazai. Look at this feast. Seriously, perfect. Plus, breakfast in the morning. All for about 10,000 yen for each person. Can you believe it?
やばい。